I'm Antoine Rançon. I'm a field application engineer from Watt & Well.
Hello, it's Camille Brown. I'm the managing director of Simmersense France.
Hi, I'm Pierre Bertrand. I'm the CEO of Skynopy.
Hello, I'm Canel, Unseen Communication Manager.
My name is Julien Fleury and I'm CEO of WeRock.
I'm Morgane Leca. I'm the Director for Strategy and Public Affairs for Us2Scale France.
Hi, I'm Sylvain Bataillard. I'm co-founder of Hyperspace.
Hello, so my name is Julie, and here I am working with us.
Hi, I'm Antoine Fourcade, co-founder and CEO of Serious Space Services.
Clémence Camborian. My company is Latitude.
So Exotrail is a space mobility provider.
We are waiting for the first wave of micro launcher to really launch and get started with all the commercial aspects of space.
New space is really developing. We are seeing a lot of satellites emerging, like satellite companies, but also launcher companies, actually.
In the next 5 years, we really see in-orbit services as a key part of space. That's what's missing currently in the space industry. We aim to have routine on-orbit services by 2030, so exactly in the next 5 years.
In the next 5 years, you will see a lot of startup in Europe or in France to be scaling up in terms of their production, but also in terms of the investment.
Maybe two. So maybe the first one would be Uberization of the sector. See a lot of single platforms emerging for the sector to promote collaboration between different tech providers, and maybe also, environment, of course.
Artificial intelligence could have some impact regarding to the supply chain strategy in order to maybe find more easily all the suppliers needed for such a large base of components, and where the origin of your component is something really important.
It's for the moment, but we are testing some things, I think. So I hope that AI will help us find better suppliers with better delays and better cost.
Yes, it's very important because when we work with a supplier, it's for a long term. So it's very important to work with a supplier that share the same values. It's important to select them in the beginning of the company and continue to work with them.
I think it has always been a very important issue. When you are dealing with complex things as we are doing, we need to have a good relationship with our supplier. And when we are selecting and qualifying a supplier, there is a trust that has to be here on the table to, let's say, build a long-term relationship.
We have several issues with many standards, so there are many different standards. Depending on the satellite we are working on and the people we are talking to, it's very difficult to put together all the components.
I think one of the main bottlenecks for production right now, due to some of the geopolitical issues right now, it's harder to have a smooth flow for import and export between countries, which makes everything slower.